Hello friends, today we will learn how to easily create shadows in any image through Photoshop. Let's start. We first took a picture in Photoshop to create shadows. Now I will select the model through the quick selection tool. In this case, you can also use pen tool. Perfect edge selection is very important in creating shadows, so you have to fix the edges using the refined edge tool. Then select the background layer and press Ctrl+J twice from the keyboard. Then you will see that 2 layers have been added to the layer box. From there, select layer 1, hold Ctrl from the keyboard, and click on layer 1, a mask will be created. Now you have to deactivate the selection from the picture, and put the mask in place. Then go to the filter option, select the Gaussian blur from the blur, add the blur as you need it. After that, increase or decrease the shadow opacity. This is the final result of our shadow making. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.